girl Chantaljenee, and I'm back with a tutorial for you guys. This is going to be a video showing how I managed to get all of this hair laying flat underneath my U-part wig. So what I'm first going to do is I'm separating out my leave out and I'm putting it to the side, that way I don't include that in my foundation. Separating out what's going to be my anchor braid. This braid is going to go along the perimeter of my head because I securely sew my U-parts down the entire perimeter, and this is going to be a smaller braid because the rest of them aren't going to really matter. Now I always recommend using synthetic hair to add to your real hair when you're using any kind of needle and thread method, because it's going to cause tension on your actual hair. So what I do is I strengthen it with some synthetic hair so that it takes some of the stress away. This braid is very important if you want to do like a versatile installation. So what's going to happen with this braid is I'm going to braid it up, but I'm not going to connect it to any of my foundation. And what this is going to do is, in the event I do want to have leave out, I can unbraid this specific braid and use that to cover my tracks or my U-part. But if I don't want it and I'm just going to wear my hair down, I can have it protected in this braid because I don't want it, my hair just out mingling with the rest of the weave. And again, this is the braid that's going to be loose, so it's not going to be sewed down with the rest of the foundation, so that I can unravel it in the event that I want it to be covering my tracks. These braids here are my front anchor braids, because remember that first braid that you see is actually going to be for my leave out. Anchor braids are done, so these are going to be the rest of the braids that are going to be underneath my U-part. So these can be large. They can be large, and what I'm doing is, because my hair is fairly long, instead of having all these braids at the back, what I'm doing is I'm braiding each braid down and I'm pulling up the braid next to it into the braid going down. So I'm connecting it. And what this is going to do is it's going to be very flat underneath my U-part. You'll see. It looks kind of bulky now, but you'll see because it doesn't have all those various braids, it's going to be very, very sleek at the back. this is a wig that I've previously made. I've probably had this wig for a good year and a half. Otherwise, I would have did a tutorial on it for you. I believe the hair is all 24 inches and I got it from Kendra's hair boutique. I can like look up the specs and list them down below. But what I'm doing now is I'm just going ahead and securing the perimeter of the entire U-part wig with my perimeter anchor braids. After I flat ironed my hair, this is the finished product. So I didn't stick my edges down or anything like that, but you guys get the gist. So this is my tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!